Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about Varargs in Java. Varargs means variable length argument and the syntax of using it is just 3 dots. So in this method name I can pass 1 item, 2 items, 3 items or no items. I can even pass an array of items. Now let's look at this with the help of an example. So here I have defined one vararg class, and inside this vararg class I have defined one static main method, and here I have defined 3 variables of string data type: item 1, item 2, item 3. Then I have defined one item array of strings, and then I am invoking print items method. First I am passing 3 items in the argument, then I am passing 2 items, then 1 item, and then item array. So you can see that I have used function overloading because I have to pass variable length of arguments here. So I can get rid of all these methods if I use vararg concept of Java. So I just need to replace the square brackets with 3 dots, and I can get rid of all these methods also. Now let me run this program. So as you can see that the output is as we expected. First it has printed this 3 items, then 2 items, then 1, and then the array of items. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.